morning, boys and girls. We are going to be taking a math test, which this is the first time we've taken a test at home. We've taken them here at school before together. So you're going to need your math paper with me. I'm going to be giving you directions, and you're going to do the work. And then when you're finished with it, you'll put it in your packet, and I'll check it when you bring it back to school. So write your name at the top. You're going to need a pencil and crayons, so make sure you have those with you. All right, these first two questions, I'm going to help you a little bit with them because they're kind of tricky, and it's easier when you are here at school. And I have them pulled up on the smart board, and I can show you exactly where you are in your paper. It's going to be a little bit trickier at home, so I'm going to kind of give you some clues and help you a little bit. Put your finger on the red apple. You need your pencil. You see a blue rectangle, and you see a red triangle. In the middle of them, there are the words side, that starts with an S, and the word vertex, that starts with a V. All right, remember, side is talking about the sides of our shapes. The vertex is talking about what we've called corners, or where those sides meet or touch each other. So put your pencil on the word side. Now draw a line to a side on the rectangle. Then put your pencil on the word side and draw a line to a side on the triangle. Just one side on each one. All right, put your pencil on the word vertex. Remember, a vertex is like a corner, or where those sides meet. Draw a line from the word vertex to a vertex on the rectangle. If you're looking at my paper, you're getting some hints. Draw a line from the word vertex to a vertex on the triangle. And then you're finished with that one. You said do it one time. Now this next one, I'm just going to help you because this is, I think, really too tricky for kindergarten. So we're going to do it together. By this sunshine, they said that you can look at this hexagon and find some triangles in it. And they want us to use our pencil to show those triangles. So when I do this, I just draw a line from one corner down to the other corner. Don't worry if yours is perfectly straight or not. I draw a line from this corner down to this corner. And then I draw a line from this corner in the middle across. And if you look, I've got triangles, but I think that was a little bit tricky for you to do by yourself, so I'm just going to help you with that. And don't worry if your lines aren't just perfect, just as long as you see there's some triangles in there. Then by this green leaf, they want us to look at this shape and find some squares and triangles. I'm going to help you with this one too. So draw a line going straight across. And then right here you see you've got a rectangle, so just draw a line down the middle. There's two squares. And then to make some triangles, we're going to go from this corner right here, and this corner right here. And you can see you've got some triangles, and that's all we're going to do. We're not going to worry about anything else. That is probably too much for kindergarten. All right, now down here at the bottom, you're ready to do some work yourself because you can do this part. You're going to need a red crayon, so get out a red crayon. You're going to need a green crayon. And you're going to need a blue crayon. Red, green, and blue. All right, pick up your red crayon. Boys and girls, down here with your red crayon, I want you to color any shapes that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. So you do that. I'm not going to do it because you're showing me what you know right now. 4 sides and 4 vertices. Color them red. I'll give you a minute to do that. You're using your red crayon to color any shapes with 4 sides and 4 vertices. And when I look at my paper, I see 5 of them. So see if you found 5 shapes that have 4 sides and 4 vertices. After that, you're finished with your red crayon. All right, next you're going to use your green crayon to color any shapes that have curves. So look in this box. Any shape that has curves, color it green. I see 2 of them. I see 2 shapes with curves. Alright, now you are finished with your green crayon. You're going to use your blue crayon to color any shapes with 3 sides and 3 vertices. And I see 3 of them. Those should be the only shapes you have left. Shapes with 3 sides and 3 vertices. Color those blue. When you are finished, all of your shapes should be colored. The red shapes should have 4 sides and 4 vertices. The green shapes should have curves. And the blue shapes should have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Alright, when you're finished with that, turn your page and fold it back. And now you just need your pencil. Alright, just like when we were at school taking a test, I'm going to show you where to put your finger. Put your finger on the purple butterfly. Alright, you were looking right here at this blue circle. Go down that row, and when you see another shape that matches it, color in the circle underneath with your pencil. You want to find the shape that matches this one, going across this row. Should just take you a second. All right, next put your finger on the acorn. Mark under the shape that is a hexagon. So you're going to use your pencil and just color in the little circle under the shape that is a hexagon. Alright, now we're on number 7 where you see that pink heart. Alright, and these, each little box or group has 2 shapes with it. Here's a set, here's a set, here's a set, here's a set. Mark under the set where both shapes have 4 sides. There's only going to be 1. So look at this set. Do they both have 4 sides? Do these both have 4 sides? Do these both have 4 sides? Or do these both have 4 sides? There's only 1 set where they both have 4 sides. Fill in the circle under that one. Next, we're on number 8 where you see the fish. Here's your shape. This is a triangle. Mark under the number that tells me how many sides a triangle has. Mark under the number that tells you how many sides a triangle has. All right, we're almost finished, boys and girls. Pick up your paper, flip it. You should have a seashell at the top. This is our last page. All right, look at each one of these shapes. Mark under the one that is a circle. It's going to be super easy for you. Mark under the circle. All right, now we're on number 10 where you see the orange. All right, this is a rectangle. Look at your rectangle. Mark under the number that tells how many vertices a rectangle has. Remember, vertices is where those two sides meet and make a corner. It's called a vertex. Or vertices when you have more than one. How many vertices does that rectangle have? Now we're here about the turtle, number 11. All right, each group has 3 shapes in it. So here's a set or group. Here is a group. Here is a group. Here is a group. Mark under the set where all the shapes have 4 sides. So look at this one. Do they all have 4 sides? Do these all have 4 sides? Do these all have 4 sides? Or do these all have 4 sides? Only one group. There's only one group where all the shapes have 4 sides. Mark under it. All right, your last question right here, number 12, the sailboat. Mark under the shape that is a square. One of those shapes is a square. Mark under it. All right, boys and girls, we are not doing this back page, so just leave it blank. We're not going to do that one this time. Make sure your name is on the front of your test. Make sure this test is in your packet when you bring it back to school, because I am going to check it and grade it and mark down your score. All right, if you have any questions or need any help or have a problem, send me a message or call me.